Today we're going to discuss the Navigator. The Navigator is the list of tables on the left-hand side of every wizard document. A wizard document can contain one or more tables, or it can contain 0 tables. Watch. Here I can rename this table by simply clicking and giving it a new name. New name. I can delete the table either by pressing the delete key, bing, or hit Ctrl Z to undo, control clicking, and clicking delete table. Bring that table right back. I can duplicate the table by control clicking and clicking duplicate table. Give that a new name. The duplicate. I can rearrange the tables just by clicking and dragging. Now here's the most interesting part. I'm going to import some data from a file. This table has 4 columns. Now I'm going to create a new wizard document with Command N. So this is Untitled 2. And for the coup de grace, I'm going to drag and drop tables between documents. So I'm going to go over here to Untitled, click and drag binary, and drop it into Untitled 2, and the data appears in the new document. That's about all there is to do with the Navigator. If you have any questions about the Navigator, please just leave a comment here on YouTube.